Hi friends, good morning. How are you? All of you are fine. Okay. What did you learn in the last class? Yes, a story of Happy Prince. Okay. Have you completed the assignments given to you? Okay, good children. Now, let us revisit the story. Are you ready? Listen carefully. High above the city, on a tall column, stood the statue of the Happy Prince. It was gilded with fine gold. The statue had two sapphire eyes. His sword hilt covered with large red ruby. He was very much admired by others. One day, a swallow took rest at the feet of the statue. He was on his way to Egypt with his friends. The swallow saw the eyes of the Happy Prince were filled with tears. The Happy Prince requested to the swallow to stay with him for one night and to be his messenger. Okay, dear ones, what do you think? Will the swallow accept the request or will he flew back to his friends in Egypt? What do you think? Let us see. Here is a puppetry for you. Watch it carefully. Little swallow,
Why did you call me? What do you want?
please try to be a messenger for me.
No, I am waiting for in Egypt.
Swallow, I can see so many people are in trouble. I can help them with your support.
What can I do for you?
Swallow, little swallow. Far away, the boy was so thirsty and the mother so sad.
Prince, it is very cold, but I will stay with you for one night and to be your messenger.
Thank you, little swallow. Please to count the ruby from my sword hilt and give it to the poor boy.
Yes, definitely.
What did you see in the puppetry? Yes, you saw the conversation between the Happy Prince and the little swallow. What was the request of the Happy Prince? Yes, the prince requested the swallow to stay with him for one night and to be his messenger. Okay. Messenger. M E S S E N G E R. Messenger. Do you know the meaning of messenger? Do then. Okay. Did the swallow accept the request? Yes, the swallow agreed to be the messenger for one night. Then what did the swallow do? The swallow picked up the ruby and flew to the poor boy's house and then kept it on his table. Then what happened? Yes, then the swallow flew back to the Happy Prince. The swallow felt very warm on his head when it was so cold. How did the prince react to it that? How did the prince react to that? The prince commented that the swallow did a good deed. So, he felt warm in his heart. Dears, when we did a good deed, we too feel very happy, isn't it? Let us continue the story. The prince requested the swallow to stay with him one more night. Please watch the mime. What did you see here? Yes, it is a mime. Did you enjoy it? Okay. Who are the characters? Yes, who are they? The prince, the swallow, and the writer. Okay. What was the writer doing? Yes, he was writing. Okay. What was his condition? Yes, he was fainted with hunger. Do you know the meaning of fainted? Faint means to become unconscious. Here, the writer become unconscious with hunger. Okay. Here, the writer to become unconscious with hunger. Let us continue. What was the prince's command? Prince commanded to the swallow to pluck out his sapphire eye and take it to the writer. Okay, to pluck out his sapphire eye and take it to the writer. Okay, did you know the meaning of plucking out? Pluck out means to remove something by pulling it. For example, the naughty girl plucked out all the flowers from the plant. Okay. Come to the story. Is the writer happy? Yes, the writer was very happy. What did the writer think when he got the sapphire? Yes, he thought he was becoming to be appreciated. And this is from some great admirer. Yes, he thought he was to be appreciated. Okay, and this is from some great admirer. If you got the meaning admire, yes, admire means
അഭിനന്ദിക്കുക.
okay. Dear children, the writer was very happy when he got the sapphire. He thought he can finish his writing. Yes. Did you enjoy this story? Okay. The major ideas are prepared for you. Please listen these slides.
The prince commented that the swallow did a very good deed, so he felt warm in his heart. When we do a good deed, we too feel very happy. The prince requested the swallow to stay with him one more night. There was a man who was writing, fainted with hunger on his desk. The prince commanded to pluck out one of his sapphire eyes and take it to the writer. The swallow plucked out the sapphire eye and flew away to the writer. The writer was very happy when he got the sapphire. He thought he was beginning to be appreciated, and this was some great admirer. He thought he can finish the play. Dear ones, these are the major ideas of this part. Okay.
Happy Prince requested the swallow to stay with him for one night and to be his messenger. The swallow agreed to the messenger. Okay, next, the swallow picked up the ruby and flew to the boy's house and then kept it on his table. Swallow flew back to the happy prince. Okay. Swallow felt very warm in his heart when it was so cold. The prince commented that the swallow did a good deed. So he felt warm in his heart. When we did a good deed, we too feel very happy. The prince requested the swallow to stay with him one more night. The prince commanded to the swallow to pluck out his sapphire eye and take it to the writer. Okay, to pluck out his sapphire eye and take it to the writer. Okay, dear children, here are some assignments for you. These are some events in the story. They are not in correct order. Please rearrange the events in the correct order. Okay, look at this slide. Okay, teacher will read the assignment. Okay, please watch it. Rearrange the events in the correct order. The swallow plucks out the sapphire from the right eye of the prince. Next, one night a swallow comes near the statue of the happy prince. Next, the prince asks the swallow to help the boy by giving the ruby from his sword hilt. Okay. Next, the swallow gives the sapphire to the writer. Then, the swallow agreed to be the messenger. Okay. Next, one more sentence. That is, the prince requested the swallow to stay with him and to be his messenger. Complete your assignments and send to your teacher. Okay. Stay safe at home.